What's up, everyone? My name is Martin Yadav, and welcome to math2code.com. Today, we are going to see how to set up Java in Windows platform. Now, this series which I'm starting is a series for ICSE students for 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th, and 12th standard. This will help them to understand what Java is. We'll start from the basic, that is how to actually install Java, and then in the next series or in the second video, third video, we'll see how to actually write a program in Java. So without wasting any time, let's start with the first video of the series. Go to Google and type over there JDK download for Windows. Depends on your PC if it is 32-bit or 64-bit. Depending on that, write down 32-bit or 64-bit over there. When you write the same thing on Google, it will give you the options which are there on the screen. Just click on the first one, which is actually www.oracle.com, and you will be landed to this page over here, which will actually give you options for downloading JDK. Now, if you scroll up, you will see that it shows you that it is a Java SE Development Kit 8 downloads. So this is Java 8 JDK, which you will be having for you. Now in this, search for the version which you want, that is for Linux you want, Mac, Solaris, or Windows you want. Right now I'm giving an example that how to actually install it on Windows, and my PC is of 32-bit. Therefore we are going to go and download the JDK for 32-bit. So if you have, what you need to do is you need to actually accept the license agreement over here. You need to click on this. Then if you see over here Windows x86, which tells you that this is a 32-bit version which you need to download, and when you click on this, it will start downloading JDK 8, that is for Windows 32. Now this thing will start over here. Since I have already downloaded JDK, I'll just cancel this process over here, and when it is downloaded, it is an exe file which will be there for you. Now when you double click on this exe file, it will actually give you a window in which you don't have to actually select or deselect anything. Just press next and it will install JDK. So if I go over here and I have this JDK with me, if I double click on this or enter on this, there will be a window which will come in front of me and which I'll show you. It will take some time. Yeah, so it will ask you yes or no question. Just press yes, and there will be a window which will be coming in front of you in a moment. Cancel button. So when you press on next, it will go over here. If you want to change where you want to actually install Java, you can change it from here, but right now I want it on C drive only, so I'll not change anything. I'll say next and it will start downloading. Okay, so it will go and start doing it. Since I don't want actually to do it, I will actually cancel this process, but now it will actually take some time. So let us not skip the video and take a look at it, because if you have any kind of problem, you can actually see the video and the doubts will be clear. So if it is boring, then you can actually fast forward it, and as it gets completed, I'll let you know. Now after completion of your JDK installation, what we need to do is we need to do some kind of settings. Now what are those settings? Go to your start menu over here, go to my computers, or you can say this PC or computer, right click on it, go to properties. There will be a window which will be like this in front of you. Go to advanced system settings, and over here you will see a button which says environment variables. So we need to set this environment variable. And why we are doing this? Because now for the ICSE students, you need to do your programs in BlueJ, which is an IDE, but suppose that if you want to actually do some extra work also, and if you don't want to run your programs in BlueJ but you want to run your programs in CMD prompt also, so these settings are for that. Okay, so I'll show you an example in the second video how to run your program through command prompt also, but right now we're doing settings, that is environment variables for our JDK. So just click on environment variables over here. Now in this thing you need to go and search for path. So this is the thing which is path. Just click on it and say edit. When you say edit, there will be a lot many things which will be there in this text box which I'm highlighting over here. What you need to do is you need to go to at the last, give a semicolon over there. Okay, and after that you need to go to, or you need to browse to your C drive where your Java is installed. So it will be in program files. Just go to your program files, and inside that search for Java, press J. So this is Java over here. Click on that and you have a JDK folder and a JRE folder inside this. Double click on JDK folder, double click on bin folder, and just click on the address bar over here and just copy this part. Okay, so right click and copy this thing. Once this is copied, you need to go back where you had this thing. Just click on this, and after this semicolon you need to actually paste it, and when you paste it you have to just say OK. Just go on clicking OK after that and you will be ending up on this screen once again. So now we are done with our Java setup. So if you want to check if Java is installed on your machine or not, you can go to your command prompt. So let's see, I'll go to my command prompt and over here I'll write Java space minus version, or you can say hyphen version, and click on it. When I click on it, this thing should appear in front of you which will tell you that you have Java 1.8.0 whatever is on your machine which is installed. Okay, so which actually tells you that we are done with our setup. So this was the first video which actually told you that how to actually set up JDK on your machine. Now in this video only I'll let you know that how to actually go and download a BlueJ. So what you need to do is you need to again go to your Google, and over here you can write BlueJ. Let's write it down, BlueJ download for Windows 7 32-bit. So there will be again one site. Let's click on the second one, that is official site BlueJ, and it will come in front of you. So that is this, and you will go and select the version, the operating system which you have, like Windows. So I'll click on Windows. So now it will download this file. I already have this file with me. I'll just cancel this. I'll go to my files. So we have this BlueJ setup on our screen now. So it is downloaded for us, and what we need to do is we need to double click on this the same way we did it for our JDK. Just hit run. It will ask you for permissions. Just give say yes, and after that just go on clicking next, and it will install BlueJ on your machine. So this is how you actually install JDK and BlueJ on your machine, and you can actually get started with Java programming. Now in this video, so we saw how to actually set up Java using JDK and BlueJ. Now if you have any kind of problem in installing both of them, you can comment down or you can mail me at madcoding@gmail.com. So this was the content for today. I'll see you in the next video with the first program, that how to write the first program in Java. I will show you that how to do it in BlueJ and how to do it in Notepad and run it on command line also. So that's it from madtocode.com. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.